everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today's video is going to be all about stretching.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend?
I am going to show you all the stretches that I do after I've done a workout, and there are also just stretches that you can do day to day just to keep like your mobility and flexibility. Because I've not done like a proper video like this in a little while, I thought I'd kind of reintroduce myself a little bit in case there's anyone new or this is the first time you're watching one of my videos. So my name is Courtney, I am a mother of two and I try and get as many videos up as I can, but lately it's kind of like one a week or one every other week, and they're usually a fitness based video. This is my daughter, she's going to help film me today. I am a personal trainer, I work at Virgin Active. Yeah, so that is why my most recent videos are a lot of fitness based. I have a fitness Instagram page which I'll pop down here, bless you. So if you wanted to go follow that, then I do kind of videos every other day. I try and get a fitness video up on there, and also then I have a personal Instagram account where I just share post of me and my family really, so I'll put that along here somewhere so you can go follow that as well if you want. But yeah, let's just get stuck into this video. So this video is going to be all about stretching. It's what I usually do with most of my clients after we've just done an hour session. I wouldn't recommend stretching cold muscles, so if you can just do a quick little warm up before you do these stretches, that's going to definitely benefit you. You're going to feel a lot more flexible and you're just going to enjoy doing them a lot more. So yeah, you can do these in the gym as well. If you've done a workout in the gym, then finish off with some stretching, or if you come home, some people don't necessarily like to stretch in the gym, so you can do them at home. Just grab a mat on the floor or like lay a blanket on the floor. It's going to be a full body stretch as well. We're going to get our arms involved, our back, our legs, our glutes. We're going to try and stretch everywhere. Some kind of yoga based stretches as well, so if you like the yoga then you'll like these stretches. But yeah, let's just get stuck in. I'm going to stop waffling and just get into the video.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah, 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex, man. We ain't gotta go outside, two-step in the rain, wake up by my side. Don't care what you think. Oh, you just my type. Oh yeah, she know the deal like an old script. You ain't the first to really sell that shit. Champagne with the roof gone, bought this jam back in Tucson. Think I got to get a move on. Never had much to lose, but you could do better with me in the middle of the road, or the back of the Jeep. So baby, let's not talk about it, but I gotta know. If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah, 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex man. Why you act so extra? Let me in your section. Running through my mind, we got a connection. Back home ain't the same, your pop's drinking all the time. You just wanna get away, come hop up in my ride. Two goofies on the run, couple 40s in the backseat. Spirits in my lungs, got my voice a little raspy. Turn me to a yes man. Before we do this, girl, I got a question. If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah, 80 and I'm 40, I'm a nervous bitch, I'm flyer than your ex.
There's no such thing as time when the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run, no rush. You're my caffeine in the morning, got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
So that is it, that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it and I hope you found it helpful as well. I think I'm going to put a shorter version of that over on my Instagram. So like I said at the beginning, if you go over and follow my fitness Instagram page, I do loads of like short, quick videos on there, a bit less long-winded than on here. Yeah, if you did enjoy it, please give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video. Bye!